Do you love exercising but are always worried about your hair being damaged? Sweating can result in making your hair look greasy and flat. So here are a few hacks that will ensure you have the perfect hair every day without sacrificing on your exercise. We always reach for a dry shampoo when our hair looks oily, but there's not enough time for a hair wash. But did you know using a dry shampoo before you sweat is much better than using it on your wet, greasy hair post-workout? So next time when you don't plan to wash your hair post-workout, just grab your favorite dry shampoo and spray it on your roots. If you don't own a dry shampoo or don't want to use the ones that are available at the market, here's a quick DIY that's perfect for you. Take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Apply this mixture to your roots using a brush. This mixture will make your hair look fresh and you don't have to worry about the white residue anymore. Washing your hair every day may not be ideal for your hair type, but why not give your hair some extra care when you plan to wash it post-workout? Applying a hair mask before a workout will leave you with luscious locks after a wash. All you need is some fresh aloe vera gel, which will lock the moisture in, combat hair fall, and promote hair growth. Apply the aloe vera gel to your roots and ends. The heat from your body will help the mask work its magic. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo post-workout for shiny and healthy looking hair. Tight ponytails can damage your hair and even lead to hair fall. Braids are perfect to keep your hair out of your face and minimize the damage. Here's a hairstyle that is perfect for the gym, yoga, and even for a run. Part your hair in the middle. Take 2 small sections from the front and start twisting them. Keep adding new sections from the front as you twist. Continue twisting until you reach your ears. Repeat the same on the other side. Now take the rest of your hair and make a normal braid using 3 sections. And here you have it, a stylish, quick and super easy hairstyle for any kind of a workout. Use these hacks and you never have to worry about your hair being damaged or having a bad hair day. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.